there's no time for me to get tired, and there's no time for our team to get tired, and we got to work strategic, and we got to fight. And me also understanding I'm a black man in the industry of primarily white faces, so the fight looks different for me. So I can't flinch. Every day I got to wake up and be ready to go at it. So I don't pretend what it is. So I always want to put that message to others, especially women, because if anyone has it worse than black men, it's black women.
I'm just trying to show who I am. That people locked up in one part of me that they really did not understand.
Always got the vibe.
Let's talk about Let's talk about the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders. And I'm a little late on this shoe. They came out last weekend, so that would be at the filming of this video, August 24th. They were $215, not as much as the Cement Jordan 4s. I was asking everybody about the price being $225, and is that too much? And I got a lot of different responses of that not being much. That's just the way it is with inflation, and it is what it is. But I didn't actually pay for this pair. They were sent through for a review, and that's me trying to show you guys like the reflection of the box, that little splatter thing on there. It's okay. The White Thunder 4s. I think they're okay. It's a very, very, very average sneaker or colorway. But I do like them. I do like that they're plain black and white. Black and white is like my favorite two color combinations. You can never go wrong when you're wearing just black and white. And I think out of the other two flavors that they made of these, this is probably my favorite colorway. What did they have before? They did the Thunders. These were just called the Thunders, not really yellow Thunders. And they were pretty good. I had them, got rid of them. It was dope. And here's the Red Thunders. These just kind of got away from me, but I do like them. And I just never really asked for them. So I wanted this pair more than I wanted the red pair, because I was going to review that red pair, and I was like, you know what, just forget about it. And the one thing that's standing out the most for me with the newer Jordan 4s, and I mentioned this before, around 2020, even with the Jordan 3s, they're making the toe box a lot better than what it used to be. I mean, I'm not mad at it what it was before. It was just a little bit more bulky, but they're getting closer to the 80s toe box, and I just love it. Like, look how more slimmed down. Honestly, when they made the SB 4s, that's kind of like when they did like a overhaul of the Jordan 4, and ever since then, all of them have had this slimmer toe box. Damn, I can't even talk. I'm still sick, guys. I'm not super sick like I was 4 days ago, damn, but I'm still trying to fight this off. This has been the longest I've been sick. It's going on like 9 days, and I did go to the doctor, and the doctor gave me some scissor, and he gave me some antibiotics. So I'm on day 2 of the antibiotics. And I'm trying not to let these sneakers pile up on me. They are starting to pile up, but we'll get through them. But the White Thunder, again, it's a very average sneaker, but it's a very necessary sneaker. And I think they even did a blue one, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong on that. That might just be like in the Across the Water version I might be referencing. And I also seen like a Tiffany colorway in this kind of flavor, which is pretty dope. I don't know if they'll officially release those, but we got Dream Cell on the insides, and I thought this was an interesting insole because I just got the Ama Maniere 3s, and they had the polyurethane insoles, and I wanted to swap them out with this insole because that shoe's a little small for me, and it's because of the insole. Don't get me wrong, I like the more bouncier polyurethane insoles, but for the A Ma Maniére 3, as you can see right here, it just made the shoe a little bit too snug. And I'm not alone on that. I watched a few other videos and people are like, yeah, these do fit a little weird. The A Ma Maniére 3s, not the 4s here. These fit just fine. These are 9.5. I would say these are true to size. And I'm probably going to try to put the A Ma Maniére insoles inside of this shoe just to see how it feels, because I almost want to get rid of the A Ma Maniére 3s. But there's that beautiful toe box again. This is my favorite part of the sneaker. I hope that they just continue to make their Jordan 4s like this. They both have that widow's peak on the toe box. Well, got blurry right there. Come on back. Come on back. And it looks like that right toe box, well, the shoe on the left, it's a little bit more sleeker than the one that was on the right. And I keep thinking the shoe's transitional. This is just a very good nubuck. It's not that super transitional nubuck that does the wavy thing with your finger. It's not really that, but it does it a little bit. It does it a little bit. These do remind me of the Black Cat 4s, which I just got rid of these. I gave them to Russ. So these kind of make me feel a little bit better, because when I gave those up, I was like, dang, I ain't got my Black Cats no more. So having these, they kind of make up for that a little bit. They're nice to just throw on and go to the store. You don't really have to think about them. And they are going to get dusty. They will get ashy over time if you do wear them a lot. And I noticed that they don't crease as much as other 4s. I was going to say 3s, but I keep thinking about this shoe because that was the last review. And this shoe was like $245 when it was all said and done. I was like, damn. But as far as these go, again, very average shoe. I give them about an 8. I give them about an 8 because you can wear them a lot and not really think about it. And I almost pulled the trigger on these on the SNKRS app, but they did sell out, so that really doesn't guarantee me a pair. I figured I'd hit on them if I tried, but they sold right on out. And I think they had a few pairs at the mall, but I was just hoping somebody would send these to me, and they did. So make sure you follow me on Instagram for that information. But the shoe's dope, guys. I know a lot of you people out there do like the sneaker. Let me know in the comments, did you pick a pair of these up? Like I said, they're probably not that hard to get. Even in the resale market, they're like $240, $245-ish, something like that for a size 9.5, size 10. So if you really want them, you can get them. I think you should probably hold off. There's a lot better pairs coming out, but again, this is a very neutral, everyday type of Jordan. That's why I like it. You don't really got to worry about it. I kind of like these better than the A Ma Maniére 3s. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. And that's 100% because of the comfort and the wearability of it. Just something about that shoe is not that comfortable. I should have returned them. I should have just did the video and returned them. But something was like, you know what? Just hold on to them. I don't know. The life of a sneakerhead. But that's all I got, guys. I'm trying to get better. I think I should be a lot better in a couple more days. I do have like 5 more pairs just staring at me in the corner. I will address them. I got to get to the gym for a couple pair because they are basketball related, but I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and light, and stay healthy. Drink water, plenty of it.